it up. Oh, I see.
Hello, everybody. So yes, I'm Jim Roy, and I'm the current treasurer of IAH-CNC. And so we've been sponsoring this event for many years, and we are very happy to support it again financially this year. It's a great event to bring our community together in Southern Ontario, get a chance to talk and share what we're up to. But I just want to take this moment to mention a little bit about the IAH. I know there's a lot of people in the audience who are current members or have been in the past, and so I just want to let you know there's many good reasons to join up for the first time or perhaps to rejoin. So again, we're a national organization with 300 to 350 members, usually every year. The largest one representing hydrogeologists in Canada. We have hydrogeologists, but also open to all sorts of other scientists and engineers who have an interest in groundwater issues. There's various memberships you can choose from. So there is cheaper ones, say for students, and even sort of a free membership, a student associate one that we've got, though this has less of the benefits. So you're not going to be getting the Hydrogeology Journal, which you do with the regular memberships. There's also the networking opportunities. There's the reduced registration fees at conferences. And then, what else? Yeah, I'll just leave it with that. You can go online, check out our website. And just one more note, just a plug for our conference. It's in May this year, and we're holding it with GAC and MAC. And there's lots of great hydrogeology sessions. So take a look at that and register for it soon. Thank you.